Hi guys, it's Temi with YellowSparksJoy. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today is a somewhat different video than I usually do. I'm kind of trying to film it vlog style, so let's see how that goes. I'm actually very excited. If you haven't watched my last video, we are going on vacation, and oh my god, this one is just so exciting because it's been 2 years in the making. Maybe my shirt is an indication of where we're going, but I'm just super excited. We're leaving later this afternoon, and if you want to watch more about the trip, I'm going to try to vlog, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel, hit the tiny notification bell so you know when I upload those videos. But for this particular one, I'm going to be doing a what's in my travel bag. So this is going to be my bag for the trip. I have my carry-on luggage down here, and then my son's carry-on, and then we also have a bigger luggage piece that we're going to be checking in. So between the two of us, we have just one luggage for check-in. We each have a carry-on, and then I have my handbag, and then my son also has a crossbody backpack as well. So I'm going to be showing you guys what's in this one, how I've packed it, and my thought process behind the whole thing. But this baby I've had for 3 years. If you want to go like back, way back, further down my channel, you'll see when I got this bag and I unboxed it. I'll leave a link to that video in the description box below. This is a tote bag. This is the Gabby Tweed tote, if I remember correctly, from ShopILoveJewelry. They're a store based in the US. They have an Instagram handle, I will leave that below as well. They have so many nice things, especially handbags and pajamas. This is definitely a dupe for the Chanel Deauville tote, and it's really good. I've had it 3 years. It's pink. It's not like dirty or discolored or anything like that. 3 years later, and I've used this thing a whole lot. I've never used it for travel, even though I bought it for travel. Like, my intention when I bought it was that this was going to be my travel hand luggage, but then COVID happened. And then when I did travel earlier this year, I just took my cash in 32 instead. I'll leave that travel vlog below so you can watch how I did with my cash in 32 as a travel bag. But now for this particular trip, since you're going to be going to a beach, I decided to take this one with me. I think it's going to serve me very well. It's already serving me very well because it's really big and it's holding every single thing. Like, I'm going to show you in a bit what's in there. It's holding everything and more than I thought. So I've never used this to travel before, but I have used it for like trips to the park with my son, for his sports trips, picnics, so like on the grass, local beaches and local trips as well. And it's held up really well. I don't baby my bags intentionally, but I'm not I'm a very finicky person also, so I take good care of all my things unintentionally because that's just the way I am. So the handles are some plastic type material, and you can see here, like, this one is already coming off. Remember, this is 3 years later. This is already coming off, and it's doing the same on the other side, which is very sad. It hurts my heart. I think I paid about a little over $100 US for this. So compared to all the other alternatives that are out there, this is really good. I actually think that the Michael Kors Mirella totes, the big size, will actually also serve the same purpose, and I'll link my video on the small size Mirella below so you can go watch that and see if you would like to have the biggest size as well. But I think that will also serve the same purpose. They're kind of like in the same category of summer beach totes, but this is really bigger, and because the material is very soft and flexible, it's easier to fit more stuff in. So it does come with the top handles like I've shown you, and then it comes with this shoulder straps as well. This is chain with a cloth type of fabric intertwined. I can tell you right off the bat that for shoulder carry, this will not be the most comfortable because of the chain. I found that for myself, most chain handles are really not good for shoulder carry. They tend to hurt my shoulders after a while. So just an FYI there. But I do love this bag. I mean, for a little over 100 USD, 3 years on, it's really done well. It's worn well, and apart from the handles being a little bit dirty, of course, with wear and some stitches popping and then this part coming out, I think it was worth the money. The tweed otherwise looks good. and the interior also looks good. So let me just show you what's in here. The last item that I'm going to be packing in here is a to-go mug, and that is in the dishwasher right now, so I don't have it in here. But one more item is going to go right here, the to-go mug. Other than that, I think we're pretty much set with everything. So I'm going to bring things out now and show you guys. Oh, before I forget, you can also get it monogrammed at no extra cost. I got this from the Dollar Tree, by the way. It didn't come with the bag, but you can get it monogrammed, which I think, to me, that was the selling point. Because you buy these bags and you have like the brand, the designer brand on the bag, but it's really nice to have like your own brand or your own name on the bag as well. It comes in lots of different colors, black, brown, and I think a gray. But I got the pink, and then I have TFM, which are my initials on there, and I just think it is so pretty. So let me take out all the items and show you guys what I have in there. So this is usually how I travel. This is the first time I'm traveling with my son in 3 years, like international travel. Usually if I'm packing for just myself, I wouldn't have this much, but with him I have a lot, which is why I really wanted to bring this back. So I have my water bottle. I'm gonna fill it up with water. I got this from, where did I buy this from? Dollarama, I think. A dollar store, I'm not sure which one, but I got that from a dollar store. I have my sunglasses case. This I got from Ash and Antler Boutique. It's a local boutique here where I live, and I'm taking this particularly because it can fit 2 sunglasses in there, and these are the 2 sunglasses that I'm going to be using. This one I bought from Call It Spring, and then this I got from, I can't remember what store I got that from. I think like Miniso or Daiso or something, I can't remember. But this fits too, and so I'm taking this with me. I really love it because it's yellow and it says Shady Lady, and I thought that was absolutely hilarious. So I got it from Ash and Antler Boutique when I bought a pair of sunglasses. I'm not taking that pair, but I bought a pair of sunglasses from them, and it came in this case. So I really like it. It folds flat as well, so it's really, really nice. And then I have, right at the front, this huge Ziploc bag, and this is just snacks and fruit and chips for my son, because that boy can eat. So I have this in this huge Ziploc bag. This is a freezer size Ziploc, so I have that in there, and that's like what took most of the space, to be honest. So, and then I have another Ziploc bag, also freezer size. This one has creams, gels, liquids, medicine, first aid stuff, small perfume bottle. You know what, so let me, my lotion, a small pit stick. I have gravel for kids. I have gravel for adults, so like for motion sickness, hint hint. I have our citronella wristbands, insect repellents. I have tissues. I have lip balm, sunscreen, insect repellent again in a bottle, hand sanitizer, and I have Band-Aid in there. Yeah, so just another clear bag, again mostly for the kiddo. So yeah, he has like 2 huge portions. Like if I were traveling, I may not take as much of all of these as I am if I were traveling alone, but since it's the both of us, he has most of the items in there, and then almost everything in here. And then his tab, and then not much left in the bag. So if it was just me, this is probably all that would be in there. So, oh no, actually his headphones for on the plane. And then I have my Coach X Keith Haring Mickey Mouse crossbody camera bag, another hint. I love this thing. I bought it from Coach Outlet on sale, so it was on the reserve section. This is a Coach retail bag, a boutique bag from 2 years ago with the Keith Haring collection. And in here I just have the crossbody strap. I have masks at the back, and I have, it's actually a Rexy, no, it's a Sharky mask. It's a Sharky mask that one of my essays gave me. So I have that at the back, and I'll be adding my son's mask to that part as well. And then I have the crossbody strap in there. So this will be my main bag for the trip. I have here, this is supposed to be like my catch-all. So right now I have all of my electronic cords in there, my chargers, the blocks, the cords themselves, and then headphones in here. So, and then So we're down to like an almost empty bag now, and I have this pouch from Longchamp. I love this thing. I mean, this is the Mary Poppins pouch of all pouches, and in here I have jewelry. Oh, one lip balm, and I have all the jewelry I think I'll be using on the trip. So my bracelet, my watch, my earrings, about 3 different earrings, 1 watch, 1 bracelet, and that's that. And then at the back of the bag, this back pocket, I have our travel documents, some boarding papers, consent papers, things like that. And then in here, these are the 2 pouches I had at the back as well. So in here, let me show you this first. This is a passport holder that I got from Dollarama like 2 years ago. It's really nice, and I just have, it has like pockets. So I have both our passports in there, and then our identification cards as well. So this is our main travel documents storage wallet. So yeah, this is, and then this is another piece from the Coach X Keith Haring Mickey Mouse collection. This is the bracelet that I absolutely love, and this is the second handbag that I'm going to be using on the trip, because I really don't need to carry any handbags at all. So I'm just taking the bracelet and this crossbody camera bag. I am taking 2 more bags, but they're in my carry-on. But in this one, I have more travel documents at the moment. So I'm going to use these as purses on the trip, but for the purpose of traveling to our destination, I'm currently using them to hold items, so I don't have to take extra pouches for documentation. So this one has more documents in it right there. So that's that for documentation, and that is everything. Just the papers at the back, and that is everything in the bag. So it does have a fabric interior. Let me take that out so you guys can see properly. It has a fabric interior, just the cloth, and look at how clean it still looks. I do use an insert in this occasionally, or most times when we're going to the beach or the park. I have an insert that I bought off Amazon, so the interior is actually still looking really nice. And then you have a zip pocket at the back that is also very big. Like, I had those 2 pouches and those papers in that pocket, so it's actually very big. So yeah, that is my travel bag. I love it. I love it. Like, I love it even more now that I'm actually using it for travel the first time, and I know that this is what I bought it for, and it's really serving that purpose. Like, it's really working well for that. So that is all that is in my travel bag. If you want to see what I have in my carry-on luggage and luggage I'm going to be checking in, essentially what I'm packing for this trip, and the handbags, remember I said that I have other handbags, actually 2 other handbags that I'm packing for this trip. So if you want to see those and how I've packed them, you can go watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.